Here we are at Blaketown School, mighty west coast of the South Island, New Zealand. What we're doing is building a sensory garden for the kids. This whole project kicked off because this particular school, there is quite a large population of the kids that are on the spectrum.
We saw such a need for these children who struggle at times because of sensory issues. It's basically a space that they can go and calm down. There's sound instruments, smell, there's touch, there's all those sort of things that will help them out to just even go there and sit in the space and just feel safe, I suppose is the way to put it.
Within that scope we've got pergola. We've got a whole lot of different types of paths to put down. A big variety of plants that are going in.
It's been a long process. We started about 1.5 years ago ourselves, and it would have been an even longer process if it wasn't for MEGA 10 who've come on board and supported us.
It's nice to be involved in a project with the community, to have the kids here able to help out. You know, that stuff's going to create some pretty awesome memories for them, and to have a space in the school that they've been involved in, I mean, that's just gold.
Had a pretty good day today, doing work out here.
We've got the opening day tomorrow, so heaps to do. Today is going to be quite a big day. One thing, there's none of that wet stuff coming out of the sky. We've got a big currant bun sitting up there. It's looking really, really good.
Ready for the final push. Getting the last of the plants in and the last of the paving.
It's going to look pretty cool. We've been waiting a couple of years for this to happen.
It's pretty humbling, you know. A lot of people that don't even go to the school are out here helping. The local MEGA 10 has donated a huge amount of materials. We've got the local quarry over here that have given us stones, and we've got people that have given us diggers and loaders. Everyone, you know, coming together and showing their support as a community is fantastic. We're all finished. It looks amazing.
What the team have done is just incredible. Just pulled together and smashed it. It's great. There's so many elements and so many different things that it's going to appeal to so many different children.
My favourite bit has to be this stage.
There's just not enough words to say thanks to Stan and the whole MEGA 10 team, as well as our amazing volunteers. It's just incredible.